This is the Carmtex leveling system. It comes with two pieces. You drive up on this piece, and then once you have it leveled using a manual level or a inside Bluetooth level, you then lock it in place with this stopper right here. If you didn't use this though, because the site is level, then you can also just use this piece as a tire stopper as well. To use, simply place it behind the tire that needs lifted, centered in the tire, and then when you go back into the vehicle and check your level on your phone, or if you have someone that is looking at a manual level, then you keep driving up it until it gets where you need it, and then lock it in place with this one. So I did not need to go as far as where the bottoms are sticking out to be level, so I just press this right here and act like a normal tire stop.